Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are gathering round the campfire for some s'more galore fun. Kumbaya, kumbaya. So while I roast the marshmallows, Lisa is going to show us how to make the quickest, easiest, and most amazing s'mores fudge. Did you know?
Oh, here we go.
The Girl Scouts were the first to make this tasty trio? You didn't know that.
I really didn't know that, but I'm gonna get into the s'mores fudge now.
Okay.
So we're starting in a saucepan. You're gonna put 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And to that, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of butter and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. That's gonna go over the stove, and we're going to just melt that over a medium-low heat, just until everything is combined.
Check it, Lee. Check it.
Oh, that's looking good.
These are golden and glorious.
So once this chocolate is melted, your last step is we're adding 2 cups.
I'm super busy. I can't help you.
I don't need the help. We're adding 2 cups of mini marshmallows and 1 cup of crumbled graham crackers. Once that's all mixed up, we're gonna put that into a baking pan and make sure to line it either with parchment paper, or you can also line it with aluminum foil and just spray it well with some non-stick cooking spray.
Because this is some sticky business.
This is some sticky business. It will go into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to firm up. And
so this is how we are all going to celebrate summer, National S'mores Day, and in the winter. This is like a year-round thing. In the winter, we can have our s'mores
indoors.
Indoors. Want one?
No, thank you.